The video extension identifies a generic video file that lacks a standard file extension and may contain video data in various encoding formats. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify, play, or convert these generic video files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized video tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. Video files are generic video files with a non-standard extension that may contain video data encoded in any common format, including MP4 AVI MKV or others. The video extension is often applied by download managers, web applications, or media systems that strip original extensions. Video files have no specific technical format, as the extension is non-standard. The actual content may be any video codec and container combination. File header analysis is required to determine the true format, which could be MP4, AVI MKV WebM, or other video container formats. For full compatibility with video, use the proprietary VLC Media Player developed by VideoLAN project. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows supports a wide range of video types, though some may require additional codecs. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the video file and click Open With. Try launching with VLC Media Player first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If your video file is not opening yet, that is normal. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, identifying the format. Open the video file in VLC Media Player, which auto-detects most video formats regardless of file extension. Once playing, navigate to Tools, then Codec Information to identify the actual video codec container format and stream details of the file. Next, renaming the extension. Use a file analysis tool like Media Info to identify the true container format. Rename the video file with the correct extension such as MP4 MKV or AVI based on the detected format. This enables proper association with media players and video editing applications. Finally, converting the file. If the file fails to play in VLC, try converting it using FFmpeg with the command FFmpeg input video c vcopy. C use a copy output.mp4 to remux the content into a standard MP4 container. If that fails, re-encode using FFmpeg input video output mp4. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at FileMagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.